to do as I feel. I owe everything I have to you, mother, sweet mother of mine. Mother of mine, when I was young, you showed me the right way. Things had to be done. Without your arm, where would I be? Mother, sweet mother of mine. Mother, you gave me happiness, much more than words can say. I pray the Lord that He may bless you every night and every day. Mother of mine, now I am grown, I can walk straight on my own. I give you what you gave me, mother, sweet mother of mine. Mother, you gave me happiness, much more than words can say. I pray the Lord that He may bless you every night and every day. Mother of mine, now I have grown, I can walk straight on my own. I like to give you what you gave me, mother, sweet mother of mine. Mother, sweet mother